to Jinhua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the introduction of the exponent part 4. Okay, part 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in same unit. Please make sure you watch all of them at once. And also, please make sure you watch part 1, 2, 3 before you proceed. Otherwise, it's hard to follow here because the part 4 is the hardest questions. It requires a lot of understanding about the first 3 parts. All right, let's see this question here. So we're going to find out a value of m to satisfy the equations. So in this case, we are not just simplify the equations of exponent. So we are actually guessing the numbers. We are trying to solve equations. How to solve the equations? So we're still using the same rules. All right, let's see first one. First one is very simple. So a to the power of 2 to the power of m. All right, so power of power equal to power multiply, right? So a to the power of 2 to the power of m, which is power of power multiply. So a to the power of 2m equal to a to the power of 10. So we got the same base. The power must be same as well. So 2m going to equal to 10, and then m equal to 5. And that's it. So simple enough, right? All right, so next one. So a to the power of 2m times a to the power of 8 equal to a to the power of 14. So in this case, so a to the power of 2m times, we got the same base. So power times power equal to power add up. So a to the power of 2m times a to the power of 8 is equal to a to the power of 2m plus 8. So equal to a to the power of 14. All right, so that's how much? That's same base, a, and then we got the power must be same. So 2m plus 8 equal to 14 is very simple to solve, right? So we're moving a to the other side, 2m equal to 6, and m equal to 3. That's solved. Okay, very simple. Okay, the next one, a little bit tricky, but it's still okay. So we got a to the power of 7 divided by 3a to the power of 3m equal to a to the power of 1, right? We have invisible 1 here. All right, so power divided by power equal to power subtract, right? So which is a to the power of 7 minus 3m equal to a to the power of 1. Yeah, let's making 7 minus 3m equal to 1. Okay, so moving 3m to this side and then 1 to this side. So it will be 7 minus 1 equal to 3m. And then 3m equal to 6. So m equal to 2. That's it. Okay, so this part is still simple. Next one. Okay, so if we follow the exact same rules we have been done in parts 2, 1, 2, 3. So these things is also not hard. Okay, a to the power of m times a to the power of 2m. Power times power equal to power what? Add up, right? So a to the power of m plus 2m, which is equal to 3m. Okay, and then divide by a. Power divided by power, this is power of 1, right? Power divided by power equal to power subtract. It'll be 3m minus 1, going to equal to a to the power of 20. All right, the 3m minus 1 equal to 20. So m equal to 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Done. Okay, this is a short tutorials, and then I don't think this is going to hard if you understand the first 3 part. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave comment below. I will answer your questions in my next video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.